You have found the correct video to watch if you're trying to figure out how to earn over $1,000 monthly. You have to be patient and give up some of your valuable time, even though anyone can use this strategy. Therefore, this is not the way for you if you want to get rich quickly. We're planning to use AI to produce content for the fitness and health niche to earn money, which we'll then upload on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. We can make money from YouTube ad revenue. Most importantly, I'll show you how to use this same content to earn money through affiliate marketing. First, let me show you an example of content I created using this method.
When it comes to soothing your stomach or boosting your overall health, forget the ginger ale. It's time to embrace the power of fresh ginger shots. Meet ginger, your digestive superhero. Packed with enzymes, it's a natural remedy for bloating, constipation, and nausea. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger's active ingredient, gingerol, works wonders for pain relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties may not provide instant relief like painkillers do, but studies suggest it's a powerful tool for long-term pain management.
First things first, naming the YouTube channel. For that, I'll use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and write, "Give me 10 ideas for names for a niche YouTube channel about health and fitness." We have some fantastic ideas for names, as you can see. The one that appeals to me is Healthy Habit Hub. We now have to design a logo. I'm planning to use Leonardo AI for this process. As you can see, there are a lot of images. You can select this one. Now set the number of images and image size, and then give this prompt. Use the most eye-catchy logo from here. You can change fine-tuned models and element if you are not getting the design you want. Let's go on to the most key step, which is writing a script for the video. Just follow the steps I'm going to walk you through. I'll create a video for this example, explaining the benefits of taking shots of ginger and lemon. TikTok is the ideal place to look for ideas for videos in this genre. Look up videos related to your topic on TikTok, then watch them. Finally, put 3 videos together and use that knowledge to create your script, and don't use the same script for one video. Google relevant articles on your subject ginger and lemon and use the material to create a script for a video. Ask ChatGPT to write a custom script for you. Paste the article after asking ChatGPT to convert it to a unique script. ChatGPT can provide you with a fantastic video script in a matter of seconds. Next, for producing the voiceover of this video, we are going to use 11 labs. Choose an appropriate voice from a large number of AI voices. After that, copy the script and paste here piece by piece. Click on Generate, and then your voiceover will be ready. It's time to design and animate a doctor character. Go to Leonardo AI once more and enter this command. Customize this prompt to meet your needs. Next, produce the pictures. This one appeals to me. For this video, I'm going to use it. We now have to give doctor character life, much like a talking avatar, by using DID Studio for that. You will need to register for this before you can access this page. Choose the Create Video button after that. To upload your character, click the Add button. Following that, you have the option to either input your script or submit the voiceover here. I'll provide the voiceover file now. Next, select Generate Video. Your talking avatar video will be generated in a matter of seconds, and download it. Finding appropriate video footage for our video is now necessary. Go to pexels.com and do a video search. This website offers free stock photos and videos. You can download appropriate videos and use these without any copyright worries. And let's use Leonardo AI to produce some pictures. These photos can be used in our video. Use more than just photos. Your video won't be made money by YouTube. In the same way, select suitable pictures for your video and ensure that they align with its story. And lastly, some background music. One of the best places for music that is copyright-free is pixabay.com. From here, we can get copyright-free background music. I'm going to edit this video with CapCut. It is a free program for editing videos. Okay, now import all the materials we created and downloaded to here. First, drag and drop the voiceovers and talking avatar and edit the frame ratio. Next, all you need to do is add suitable images and videos to match the script. Make sure to add these videos and mix them with the talking avatar. Now add suitable transitions to make the video more eye-catchy. For captions, simply select the Auto Captions option under Text from the top menu, choose your language, and hit Generate Edit Text according to your need. Lastly, You can include background music in the style of this. That brings our video to a close. It can be exported exactly as it is. In this niche, you produce videos on a wide range of subjects. Let me finally show you how to use affiliate marketing with these videos to increase your income. Create an account on Amazon first. Click the Become an Affiliate tab after swiping to the bottom. Complete those fields and enter your information. Following that, you will become an affiliate. Now, when you visit the Amazon website and choose any product, you'll notice a bar that says Get a Link in the top menu. You will receive a unique product link. You will receive a commission if someone uses your link to make a purchase. All you have to do is include this link in description when you publish the video there. I hope this video has given you some new ideas. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.